Hello from Seoul. So many people think that making jajangmyeon is quite complicated. You could not be more wrong. So today, let me show you the simplest but the most delicious black bean noodles in the world. And at the end of this video, you may think, should I open up my own restaurant with this? Yeah, it's the quick and easy and delicious. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Yes, you can open up your great jajangmyeon restaurant with this video, but with the greatest recipes from my cookbook, Simply Korean, you can do more than that. And the holidays are just around the corner, so it could be a great gift. It's on Amazon, and the link is in the description. Get one. Today, we're gonna be making jajangmyeon. Yes, that's scary noodles with black sauce. Normally, at restaurants, they make a big batch of the sauce and let it sit for a while to release more flavor. So it takes quite a while to cook. But don't worry about it. With a little bit of technique that I'm gonna show you today, you're gonna have the simplest but the most flavorful jajangmyeon that you ever had. I guarantee it. For this, you will need onion, cabbage, green onion, ginger, chunjang, black bean paste, and some pork. Usually, I make this with pork belly because it's got a good amount of fat. But to dramatically cut down your cooking time, I brought this ground pork. However, if pork is not your thing, you can also go with chicken or beef. No problem at all. But if I were you, I wouldn't do that. Alright, let's start with vegetables. First, onion. Cut 1.5 or 420 grams of yellow onions into nice big chunks. Of course, you could chop them into smaller pieces to reduce the cooking time, but it totally depends on who you're cooking for. My hungry bird at home really cares about texture, so there's nothing much I can do about it. If you're just about to get married, listen, it's your future. Good luck. Next, cut 100 grams of cabbage into bite-sized pieces. If you're a true veg lover or you're trying to get more veggies in your meals, then you can also add some zucchini here. But to keep it really simple, I'm gonna skip this today. Once you're done with the cabbage, thinly slice some green onions. Actually, for jajangmyeon, it's not an essential ingredient and many restaurants don't use it. I think it's probably because of the cost. But what do I say all the time? That's right, more green onion, more delicious. So be super generous with this. Trust me, this will take it to the next level. This time, ginger. Grab a small knob of ginger and finely chop it. We only need a very small amount, like half a teaspoon. But you know what? It's necessary. So if you have a family member who hates ginger, please sneak it in with this grater. Trust me, nobody will notice there's ginger in it. What? Someone complains about that? Then send them to a culinary school. Congratulations! You just have future Gordon Ramsay in your family. And then it's not a good idea, but if you want to propose to your girlfriend with this jajangmyeon, not a fancy steak, get yourself some cucumber and cut it into matchsticks. This bad boy will make your dish more beautiful. Lastly, let's talk about this chunjang, black bean paste. When you make jajangmyeon, you really need to fry this with a lot of oil, almost like deep frying. But you don't want to do that, especially on a busy weeknight, right? But don't worry about it. Let me show you amazing techniques to make it more simple and easy. What? You want to know that kind of simple recipes more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because I wrote it for you. With this one book, you can cook more than 100 delicious Korean dishes like a pro. So don't forget to pre-order my book today. The link is in the description. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a wok or pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and place it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add 200 grams of ground pork. Make sure to break up the pork and give it about 1 to 2 minutes or until no longer pink. And then reduce the heat to medium, add in your ginger, 3 tablespoons of chunjang, black bean paste, and stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Thanks to the fat from the pork, you don't have to deep fry the black bean paste in advance with lots and lots of oil. Pretty good tip, right? You're welcome. But make sure you keep stirring it so it doesn't burn on the bottom. If that happens, everything is over. Your girlfriend won't say yes. So if you're not confident about this, turn it down to a low heat. No problem at all. Once that's done, change the heat to medium-high, add in your green onions, onion, cabbage, and stir them around for about 2 minutes. Once the veggies soften up a little bit, add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, a quarter cup of water, and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Just like when you make pasta, that little bit of water is gonna have combined all together. And then bring our secret weapon, MSG, and just add a pinch of it. Of course, it's optional, but there are a few dishes that really need this bad boy. And I think jajangmyeon is one of them. Trust me, it's not something bad or something horrible. So if you really want to get that restaurant taste, please give this a try. You won't regret it. Lastly, to thicken up the sauce, add a cornstarch slurry and stir it all together. That's it. Alright, our sauce is done. Let's cook the noodles real quick. Today, I'm using Chinese style frozen noodles, which is called JJAJANGMYEON. What? You can't get this? Don't worry about it. The sauce works great with any type of noodles. Udon noodles, kalguksu noodles, everything will be fantastic. So just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, time to assemble. Let's put some noodles into a bowl and add our beautiful sauce on top of the noodles. And then add some cucumber for garnish. How does it look? It looks exactly the same as the one from a restaurant, right? If you cook it at home, I'm pretty sure your family will think you're a Korean master chef who mastered my cookbook, Simply Korean. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Claire?
Wow, looks amazing! I feel like I just got a delivery and I'm fully prepared to try this. Why? Because I'm wearing a black t-shirt. Let's mix it! 좀 확실하게 제대로 뒤집어줘야 돼. 막 섞어줘야 돼. 근데 뭔가 허전하다, 자기야. 생각해보니까 단무지가 없어. 단무지가 없으면 어떡하지? Something is missing. 그래도 뭐 메인 주인공만 맛있으면 되지 뭐. 그치? 오늘은 뭔가 자기가 더 예쁘게, 팬시하게 만든 느낌이라기보다 그냥 진짜 짜장면집에서 배달받은 그런 느낌? 완전히 그 느낌을 잘 살렸네. Oh, it's totally mixed. I love it. Cheers. 제대로 됐네. 입이 막 바빠진다. 비주얼만 똑같은 게 아니라 맛까지 진짜 똑같아. 진짜 거짓말 1도 안 했음. 너무 맛있어. 미쳤네. 불맛도 느껴지고 양파의 그 아삭함도 여기 봤었을 때는 그렇게 아삭해 보이진 않았을 것 같거든? 근데 그 느낌이 제대로 살아. 그 간고기 쓴 거 신의 한 수네. 큰 덩어리로 먹는 것도 좋지만 그 면 사이사이에 들어오는 그 녀석들이 맛을 샥샥 올려주고, 그리고 이 오이 있잖아. 그냥 데코인 줄 알았거든? 근데 중간에 들어오는데 그 상큼함이 중간에 톡톡 터지는 게, 아 이거 기가 막히네. 나 너무 흥분했다 갑자기. 흥분했다. 너무 맛있다. 괜찮다. 완전 재현이 제대로 됐어. 오, 진짜 비주얼까지 오늘 비슷해서 그런지 뭔지 모르겠지만 그냥 진짜 밖에서 사 먹은 느낌이야. 제대로다. 단무지가 없는 게 큰 에러긴 하다. 지금 이맘때쯤 딱 단무지 샥샥샥 사과 싹 씹어줬어야 됐는데. 대신 계란 후라이랑 먹겠습니다. 아니면 아쉬운 대로 양파 남은 거 춘장에다 찍어 먹자. 믿기지 않겠지만 맛있어. 그냥 양파 자체에서 나오는 그 수분감과 그 단맛이 춘장의 그 약간 씁쓸한 맛이랑 만나가지고 완벽한 조합을 이룬단 말이야. 최고의 궁합이야. 단 말은 좀 많이 하면 안 돼. 너무 맛있다. 단무지 없어도 괜찮아. Or if it doesn't sound appetizing, you can serve with kimchi. No problem at all.
Today, I showed you how to make jajangmyeon, one of the most popular Korean noodle dishes of all time. How was it? It's not that difficult, just like making pasta, right? Once you try, I'm pretty sure it will become your new favorite weeknight dinner. Yeah, it's that simple, easy, and delicious. Alright, this is it for today. Don't forget to pre-order my book, and I'll see you next time.